Hey guys, what's up? Ashley here. Courtney there.
Yep, it's me.
It's time for another edition of Confessions of a Giggler, and we're back with Cooking with Cort.
I'm Cort. My hair is so good when I just got in the shower.
So we're gonna call another lucky family member and see what they have for us.
Random drawer.
Random draw, which
Hopefully-
really isn't. Let's hope
Hopefully they answer.
Hopefully they answer exactly.
Hold up. Oh,
All right,
okay.
here we go. It's
We're
calling. It's calling.
We're calling.
Hello?
Hey,
Hello.
Mayor.
Hi, hon. What's up?
Nothing. We're calling because we want to make your baked ziti, and we want to know what you put in it.
Welcome to
Guys,
Cooking with Cort. It's Aunt Mare, guys.
I know. Hello, everybody. Oh, my goodness. I can't believe I'm getting this phone call.
You knew it was coming.
I'm just, oh, my goodness. You guys made me so happy.
Oh, good. And we're happy that we made you happy.
I gotta write down the stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, so this is baking day today.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right. I like Galbani, Galbatta, Galbani. I use.
What is that? Sauce?
That's the brand. That's the brand of the ricotta cheese.
Oh, the brand of
ricotta
ricotta
cheese.
cheese.
Yeah, that's important because that's delicious.
Yes. So
All right.
I use that. And
So wait.
I use their
Spell that again.
Galbatta. I think
Galbatta.
Yeah. I
Okay.
think that's it. You'll see it.
What's it?
So
Ricotta cheese.
So I
Ricotta.
use that. And the mozzarella. I use that too.
Oh, from the same brand?
Yeah.
Like just the shredded mozzarella?
It could be shredded or whole. It depends if you could get it shredded.
Okay.
Okay.
So you girls know how to slice it up or chop
Yeah.
it up.
Sure, we can figure it out.
Okay. So I mix that and the mutts in a bowl with one raw egg,
One raw egg.
Mix.
and we whip that up, and then our sauce. You guys can use jar sauce. It's easier for you.
For sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just remember to put a tiny bit of sugar in it. so
Oh
that it
yes,
cuts-
yes, we know that. Cuts the acid. That my daddy used to do that.
Yeah. Okay. And then I use the meatloaf ground beef. it's got
Meatloaf,
to
ground
mix
beef.
the-
Oh.
Yeah, because I used to. It's got the mix of the pork
Right.
and the beef, and
Yeah.
it just gives that extra little taste better.
And how
Yeah.
much about
So-
do you use of that?
Well, I don't know how you guys are gonna make a pan.
Yeah.
Probably,
Yeah.
Like one
Probably.
casserole size dish.
Probably like 4 pounds. However the packet comes, just get a decent one. You don't have to get a jumbo one.
Okay.
So we lightly brush. We mix it in with our sauce with the pinch of sugar, and let that cook for a little bit. You don't want it to burn, and then you have to cook the lasagna noodles. They have come out with a ones now. Ronzoni makes them, so you don't have to like boil them, and so you can get that too.
Oh, so you use lasagna noodles, not zitis?
Well, you want to make baked ziti or you want to make lasagna?
Yeah, baked ziti.
Oh, all right. Then just get the just get the ziti noodles.
Okay. Like
And
a
you know
like a pound of that?
When
Yes.
maybe I told her the wrong thing.
That's okay. It's Sunday. It's Sunday.
I know.
Yeah. So then you're gonna cook the pasta, and then you're gonna put a little bit of sauce on the bottom of the pan.
Okay.
Now,
Oh, there's sauce on the bottom.
on the bottom so it doesn't burn, and then so
yeah.
I kind of heat a little bit. Once I drain the ziti noodles, then I put it back in the pot with no water, and then I add the cheese, and I mix that in,
So you
and then a little, yeah. So
mix the
instead of
cheese
doing
in with just the pasta.
Ah.
Yep.
So it makes it more
So
cheesy?
that's why it makes it more cheesy. That's why you guys like it so much.
Yeah.
So,
We like our cheese. We like our cheese.
so then I do that, and then so put some of that in, add some of the sauce in the meat, and then do that again with the pasta with the cheese. You'll have enough. You'll notice separate it out. And then we add Parmesan to the top. Bake it at 350 for what, like 45 to 50 minutes,
Okay.
and that's it.
45 to
All right. That sounds
50. Okay. I'm not very
You'll
fast
know.
rating.
You'll know.
So
You'll know.
just
Yeah.
so after we mix the cheese with the pasta, then we put a little bit of that on the bottom of the casserole, and then pour some sauce on it, and then more pasta, then more sauce.
Yep.
Like just layer
layer
it
it
up.
on.
Yeah.
Okay, and then Parmesan on top. Just a little sprinkle.
Oh, Parmesan on top.
However much you guys like, or if you will still have, some of the mozzarella or some of the mozz left, then
Uh-huh.
you can
Put
add
that.
some of that.
Okay.
I know you girls like your cheese.
We do.
Yeah.
We like our cheese.
We do.
Oh my goodness, you made me so happy.
Yay.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Well, we'll see how this comes out. This
Yeah,
is a
so-
little bit more complicated
Woo!
for us.
No, it's not. It's
We-
not I do have to tell you, I have made Wani's chicken and broccoli after you guys did that.
Oh,
Oh,
nice,
good.
nice. That was good. That was good.
Yeah. That one was
Yeah.
successful. Hopefully this one will be successful
Yeah.
also.
Yes, it will. I have faith in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We figured we'll have leftovers for tomorrow. Perfect day for tomorrow too. So.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah.
All right.
All
Okay.
right.
Well, happy shopping, girls.
All right,
I love
thank you.
Thanks,
love
love
you
you
too.
too.
Okay.
All right,
Bye.
bye.
Bye, Mare. Well, we have our work cut out for us.
It just started.
We have our work cut out for us.
Yes, it's gonna be difficult.
Let's go shopping.
Let's go to the grocery store.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Now we're looking for the cheese. We don't know. We don't know if they sell this brand that she suggested here at this store. And if not, we'll just have to get another kind. No, this is feta. This is like Greek cheese. We need Italian cheeses. Oh. All the cheese, all the cheese. We had a lot of this brand. But I don't know. Oh, here it is. This kind.
Oh,
Galabani. That's
Yeah,
the
that's
kind
it.
that she said. Maybe get 2 of them. But we need they have a big one. We could just get 1 big one instead of 2 small ones.
Okay.
Fresh mozzarella. But where would the regatta cheese was probably over there by the milks.
Probably.
Yeah. All right. Oh, did you grab a Parmesan?
No.
All right. Well, let's grab one of those. It was way longer, but we found the ziti.
There's nothing.
There's like all the shelves are like bare. There's like just about every other kind of pasta, but Courtney found it hidden in the corner. Some
And the
ziti,
sauce.
and we got a jar of sauce, which should be fine because we have a half a jar also at home, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. A little less.
A little less than half, so that's fine. That'll be enough. We got our meatloaf mix. Only like 1 1/3 pounds, but that's okay. Yeah. There's a little bit of meat in the sauce. It will be fine. We are. Let's check our list off. Let's check our list. Ziti, check. Regatta cheese, giant one, check. We had to call and confirm. Parmesan cheese, check. Mozzarella cheese, check. And check. We got our beef, meatloaf mix, and also sauce, and
Because we got sugar.
bonus ice cream.
Oh yeah, ice cream. With cones.
Breyers was on sale for 2 for $8. That's huge. I mean, I want to eat this entire bakery section, and Courtney won't let me get anything, but it's fine. It's fine. Successful trip to the food store. We got what we needed.
$13.
The cheese was a little expensive, but it's worth it.
for 3 meals.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. That was our shopping adventure, and stay tuned for when we actually make Aunt Mare's Big Ziti. All right? So, Volume 3, Part 2, coming soon. Love you. Bye.